Ganesh Dikshit. Now we are starting exercise 7.2, chapter coordinate geometry. First question is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Ratio is given 2 is to 3. So here in section formula A, these coordinates are called x1 and y1, and these are called x2 and y2. Clear? And this ratio, first ratio is called m1, second ratio is called m2. So the formula is, using section formula, coordinate of C, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, मीन्स ऑल्टरनेट मल्टीप्लाई होता है. जैसे फर्स्ट रेशियो m1 है तो x2 इस साइड आएगा, m2 x1, देन m1 y2 and m2 y1. क्लियर? So this formula. Now values, m1 that is 2 into x2 that is 4 plus m2 that is 3 into x1 that is -1 upon 2 plus 3. Same here, 2 into y2 that is -3 plus 3 into y1 that is 7 upon 2 plus 3. 2 4 ja 8 minus 3 1 ja 3 upon 5. Here 2 3 ja 6 minus ka 3 7 ja 21 plus, so 21 minus 6 is 15 upon 5. Here it is 5 upon 5, so it is 1, 3. The coordinates of C is 1, 3. Now second question is, find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segments joining 4, -1 and -2, 8. So these points are given -2, -3. These coordinates are given A and B, and we have to find the coordinates of the points which trisect this line. Trisect means divide into 3 equal parts. So we will assume C and D are the points divides AB into 3 equal parts, means trisect करें तो 3 equal parts में divide करेंगे. Now we assume AC equal to CD equal to DB equal to X. इन तीनों parts को हमने x मान लिया. Now firstly we have to find the coordinates of C. So we have to find the ratio of AC is to CB. So AC is to CB, AC is x and CB is CD plus DB, that is x plus x, so it is 2x. X cancels, so we got the ratio 1 is to 2. Now coordinates of C, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Second point, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we put the value, m1 that is 1 into x2, x2 is -2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 that is 4 upon 1 plus 2. Same here, m1 y2, so m1 1, y2 is -3 plus m2 यानी कि 2 और y1 that is -1 upon 1 plus 2. Now 1 into -2, so it is -2, 2 4 ja 8, 1 into -3 that is -3, 2 into -1, so it is -2. Now -2 plus 8 that is 6 upon 3, -3 -2 that is -5 upon 3, 3 2 ja 6, so it is 2, -5 upon 3. This is the point C. Now we have to find the coordinate of D. So here we find the ratio AD is to DB. AD is 2x AC plus CD, that is 2x, and DB is x. So 2x is 2x, x cancels, so we got 2 into 2 ratio 1, 2 is to 1. So the ratio of AD and DB is 2 is to 1. Now coordinates of D, again same formula, m1 x2, m1 is 2 into x2 is -2 plus m2 1 into x1 that is 4 upon 2 plus 1. Same here, m1 by 2, 2 into y2 that is -3 plus 1 into y1 that is -1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 to the 4, so -4 plus 4 upon 3. Here -6 and it is -1 upon 3. -4 plus 4 is 0 upon 3 and it is -7 upon 3. So answer will be 0, -7 upon 3. One more method for finding D, coordinates of D. एक और method है इसका. If we see CD and DB both are equal, that means D is the midpoint of CB. So we can also find by the midpoint formula. Okay, now see the question third. Third question is, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. ABCD एक rectangular shaped school ground है, and here school ground ABCD lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter. 100 flower pots have been put. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. AD के along flower pots रखेंगे 1 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे, as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD. See here, this is the question, clear. So here Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD on the second line. It is the second line, so इस पे 1/4 डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस इज गिवन 100, 100 का 1/4 कितना हो 25. सो इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 2, 25. एंड पोस्ट अ ग्रीन फ्लैग. Preet runs 1/5 distance AD on the 8th line. 8th line पे 1/5 of 100 is 20, so its coordinate is 8, 20. Now what is the distance between the flags? दोनों फ्लैग के बीच की डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, दोनों के बीच में हाफ मिड पॉइंट पे रखना है एक और फ्लैग रश्मि को। देन वेयर शुड सी पोस्ट हर फ्लैग, वो कहाँ अपना फ्लैग को रखे, ठीक है, वो आपको फाइंड करना है। सो हेयर सी फर्स्टली कोऑर्डिनेट्स मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था। सेकंड लाइन पे कितना डिस्टेंस पे 1/4, तो सेकंड लाइन यानी कि x हो गया 2, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इज 2 एंड वर्टिकल 1/4 ऑफ टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 100 मीटर। सो 100 का 1/4 4 से कैंसिल होगा 25, सो इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 2,25। निहारिका थी तो मैंने इसे n मान लिया, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज प्रीत, सो 8th लाइन पे है तो x कितना हो गया 8 एंड y 1/5 ऑफ 100 दैट इज 20, सो 8,20। नाउ वी फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन निहारिका एंड प्रीत दैट इज np root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Putting the value x2 minus x1, x2 is 8 and x1 is 2, so 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 that is 20 minus 25 whole square. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, 20 minus 25 that is minus 5, its whole square is 25. So 36 plus 25 that is root 61. Units आ जाएगा, distance है, so units, और we can write also meter, meter में क्योंकि distance किस में दी हुई है मीटर में, so write here meter. Now coordinates of r which is the midpoint of np, np का midpoint है, formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, second point is y1 plus y2 upon 2, x1 is 2 and x2 is 8, so it is 2 plus 8 upon 2, y1 plus y2 that is 25 plus 20 upon 2, 5 comma 22.5. Now this is question 4th. Fourth question is given, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. These are 2 points and there is between point C which is minus 1 comma 6. We have to find the ratio of the points m1 m2. So now coordinates of C minus 1 comma 6, and what is the formula for this? Section formula we can use m1 into x2. So x2 will be 6 plus m2 into x1 that is minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. Same second point m1 into y2 that is minus 8 plus m2 into y1 that is plus 10 upon m1 plus m2. It is equal to minus 1 comma 6. Now we equated first point means abscissa equal to abscissa that is minus 1, both are equal. Same here ordinate equal to ordinate, second point, clear. We can solve any one and we found the ratio. So here we cross multiply it, 6m1 minus 3m2 equals to m1 into minus 1, so it is minus m1, m2 into minus 1 that is minus m2. Now minus m1 transferred here, so it is plus m1, so 6m1 plus m1 that is 7m1. Minus 3m2 transferred to RHS, so it will be plus 3m2, and here it is minus m2, so minus m2 plus 3m2 that will be 2m2. Now m2 goes to here and divide, so m1 upon m2, 7 goes to divide, that is 2 upon 7. So we can write the ratio m1 is to m2 equals to 2 is to 7. If we solve this one, then also we can get this ratio same, so not needed. Okay. Now question number 5. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segments joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Point of division के coordinates भी find करना है. Now here the point C is given on the x axis. So if the point is on x axis, that means its ordinate is 0. So here we wrote here point of division C is on x axis, therefore its ordinate is 0. So let the coordinate of C that is x comma 0. Abscissa को x मान लिया और coordinate 0 है, so its coordinate is x comma 0. Now we use section formula again. So m1 into x2, x2 is minus 4 plus m2 into x1 that is 1 upon m1 plus m2. Next is m1 into y2 that is 5 plus m2 into minus 5, clear. So this ratio we can assume m1 and this one we wrote here m2, clear. Now it's equals to x comma 0, so we can equate abscissa equal to abscissa and ordinate equals to ordinate. So here we found x equals to m1 into minus 4 that is minus 4 m1 plus m2 into 1 that is m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now second point is 0 equals to this one, so 5 m1 minus 5 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इसमें हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल है, ठीक है, तो पहले हम यहाँ पे रेशियो फाइंड कर लेंगे. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 इंटू m1 प्लस m2 दैट विल बी 0, दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 m1 माइनस 5 m2. 5 m1 ट्रांसफर्ड here, so it will be minus. Minus minus cancel, 5 से 5 cancel, so we got 5 upon 5 that is 1 upon 1. So ratio will be 1 is to 1, means m1 value is 1 and m2 is also 1. Now we can put these values in this ratio x में value put कर सकते हैं, so minus 4 m1 that is 1 plus m2 that is 1 upon 1 plus 1. Minus 4 into 1 that is minus 3, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 and plus 1, so it is minus 3 upon 2. So the coordinate of C is minus 3 by 2 comma 0, clear. Now question number 6, which is I am reading, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y and x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find x comma y. So ABCD is a parallelogram, its vertices are given 1 2 4 y axis and 3 comma 5. If we join the diagonals, then we knew diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals जो bisect करते हैं, that means diagonals are here AC and BD, which bisect at point O. If we assume, that means the midpoint of AC that is also equal to midpoint of BD. दोनों point का coordinate same होगा क्योंकि same point है. So we wrote here midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. Now coordinates of midpoint, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So midpoint of AC coordinate is x1, that is 1, and x2 is x, so it is 1 plus x upon 2. Next x2 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is 2 plus 6 upon 2. Now here midpoint of BD, that is 3 plus 4 upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. Now we can equate abscissa equal to abscissa and ordinate equals to ordinate. So 1 plus x upon 2 equals to 3 plus 4, that is 7 upon 2. 2 से 2 cancel. Then if we separate x, then 1 goes to here. In right side, that will be subtracted from 7. So we got x equals to 6. Same here, we can equate 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 upon 2 equals to 5 plus y upon 2. 2 से 2 cancel. Now if we separate y, then 5 goes to in LHS, which is subtracted from 8. So we get y equals to 3. Now next question, which is 7th question. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter. Here if we assume a circle, its diameter is AB and the coordinates of B is given 2 comma minus 3 and the center is given 2 comma minus 3 and the point B is given 1 comma 4. Now we have to find the coordinates of A. So we assume these coordinate of A, that is x comma y. Clear? So let the coordinates of A be x comma y. Its coordinate we assume x comma y. Now since जो रेडियस होती है ना, that is half of diameter, since radius equals to half of diameter, this is that means therefore we can write the center is the midpoint of, so therefore center is the midpoint of circle, midpoint of diameter of circle. Wait, this is not midpoint of diameter of circle, the circle. Clear? Circle के diameter का midpoint क्या होगा? Center. So here we see O is the center of circle and AB is the diameter of circle. That means O is the midpoint of AB. So therefore midpoint of AB equals to और coordinates of midpoint of AB, चलिए equals to midpoint of AB अगर हम यूज़ करें तो क्या होगा? x plus 1 upon 2, x plus 1 upon 2. Second point is y plus 4 upon 2. Clear? And here diameter of the circle, diameter का midpoint क्या होगा? Center. तो center के coordinate क्या होंगे? Here we can write coordinates of center. Coordinates of center, that is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 4 upon 2. Now coordinates of center, that is given 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3, that is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 4 upon 2. Now we can equate. So 2 equals to x plus 1 upon 2 and minus 3, that is equal to y plus 4 upon 2. 2 to the 4, so 4 equals to x plus 1. Now we separate x, so x will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. And here 2 3 is 6, so it is minus 6 equals to y plus 4. Now we separate y, then y equals to 4 comes here, LHS, so subtracted. So minus 6 and minus 4, that is minus 10. So therefore the coordinates of A, coordinates of point A equals to 3 comma minus 10. Clear? These are the coordinates. Now move to next question, which is question number 8. 8th question is, if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, A and B. So if we assume, draw a line AB, this is the line AB and its coordinates are given. Coordinates of A is given minus 2 comma minus 2, both are minus, and B is given 2 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 4. Clear? It is given. After this, then find the coordinates of P such that P is a coordinate, P is a point in between AB, such that it is given that AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB. This question is important, okay? So AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB, and P lies on the line segment AB. P lies on AB, okay, clear? So we have to find the coordinates of P. This coordinate we have to find, so we can assume it x comma y, clear? And now here the ratio, if we found the ratio AP upon AB, that is 3 upon 7, but the ratio we have to find AP is to PB. We have to find AP and PB ratio find करना है, but here we have AP upon AB. So cross multiply, so 7AP equals to 3AB, और AB को अगर हम ब्रेक कर लें AP प्लस PB में, so it is AP plus PB. Clear? Now 7AB नहीं है, sorry, it is P. Clear? So 7AP equals to 3AP plus 3PB. 3AP transferred here, so it is subtracted from 7AP. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4AP equals to 3PB. Now from this we can write AP upon PB, that is equals to 3 upon 4. So the ratio is 3 is to 4. That means AP is to PB, that is equals to 3 ratio 4. Clear? So ratio we got 3 is to 4. That means M1 is 3 and M2 is 4. Now we can find the coordinates of P. So by section formula. So coordinates of P now is the formula M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Second point is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Clear? Now put the values. So M1 x2, M1 is 3 and x2 is 2. That means we can write 3 into 2, x2 is 2, plus second ratio is 4, M2 is 4, into x1, that is minus 2, upon M1 plus M2, that is 3 plus 4. Second point is M1 y2, so M1 is 3 into y2, that is minus 4. This one is y2. Here we can write x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. So M1 y2 minus 4 plus M2, that is 4 into y1, that is minus 2, upon M1 plus M2, that is 3 plus 4. Now simplify it. 3 2 is 6 minus 8 upon 7, comma 3 4 is 12, that is minus 12, minus 4 2 is 8 upon 7. Now simplify 6 minus 8, that is minus 2 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7, comma minus 12 and minus 8, that is minus 20 upon 7, which is the required coordinates of P. Clear? Now move to next question. So now this question is 9th. Question is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining A and B. A और B दो points दिए हुए हैं which are given minus 2 comma 2 and B is given 2 comma 8. We assume it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Now into 4 equal parts. So AB line is divided into 4 equal parts. So we assume 3 points C, D and E which divides it 4 equal parts. That means we assume AC, that is x, CD also we assume x, and DE also we assume x, and EB is also assume x. So all the 4 parts are equal. Clear? So we have to find the coordinates of C, D and E. These 3 points we have to find. So firstly let C, D and E, CD and E divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Clear? We assume this one. Now if it is divided into 4 equal parts, then we assume all the 4 parts equal. So therefore we can write AC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EB, and that is x. हमने इसे क्या मान लिया? x. So it is C. क्लियर? चारों पार्ट्स को हमने x मान लिया. अब अगर हम फाइंड करें, पहले अगर हमें C का पॉइंट निकालना है तो C के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? रेशियो AC is to CB. For this we are finding AC is to CB. Now AC is x, AC पार्ट x है और सी भी देखिए कितना होगा, सी से बी तक, तो ये x प्लस एक्स 2x एंड प्लस एक्स दैट इज़ 3x, so it is 3x. Now the ratio will be 1:3. So for point C the ratio is given 1:3, that means m1 is 1 and m2 is 3. Now use the formula. So coordinates of C that is formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Same here, second point that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now put value. So m1 is 1 into x2 that is 2. x2 कितना है, 2 है. अगर हम इनको यहाँ पे मेंशन कर लें, मैंने देखो x1 यहाँ मेंशन कर रहा हूँ, x1 कितना था, x1 है कितना -2 और y1 2. x1 इज़ -2, y1 इज़ 2, x2 इज़ 2, x2 कितना था, 2 था, और y2 कितना 8. y2 को मैं मेंशन कर दे रहा हूँ, y2 इक्वल टू 8 है -8, 2,8. ओके, y2 इज़ 8. सो हियर पुट द वैल्यूज m1 x2, m1 इज़ 1 इंटू x2 दैट इज़ x2 इज़ 2 प्लस m2 इज़ 3 इंटू x1 दैट इज़ -2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2 दैट इज़ 1 प्लस 3. सेकेंड पॉइंट m1 y2, m1 इज़ 1 इंटू y2 दैट इज़ 8 प्लस m2 is 3 into y1 that is y1 2 upon m1 plus m2 that is 1 plus 3. Now simplify it, 1 2 is 2 minus 3 2 is 6 upon 1 plus 3 4. Clear? Next point is 1 into 8 that is 8, 3 2 is 6, so plus 6 upon 4. Clear? Now 2 minus 6 अगर हम सॉल्व करें तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, 2 minus 6 is -4. So -4 upon 4, comma 8 plus 6 is 14 upon 4. देखिए -4 upon 4 अगर मैं कैंसिल करें, 4 1 जा 4, so it is -1. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट इज 2 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4, दैट इज 7 upon 2. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया -1, 7 upon 2. नाउ वी फाउंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ डी. क्लियर? सो आफ्टर दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ डी, so for this firstly find the ratio. So we found the ratio AD is to DB. AD is to DB अगर हम रेशियो देखें तो AD कितना हो जाएगा, 2x. AD is x plus x that is 2x प्लस नहीं सॉरी रेशियो DB that is also 2x. That means we got 1:1. क्लियर? तो AD is to DB में हमें रेशियो क्या मिल गया, 1:1. So we can use here ratio 1:2, 1:1, or we can also use midpoint formula. Clear? So therefore D is the midpoint, or we can use same formula also, midpoint of AB. Then coordinates of D, then coordinates of D. So we are using formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Clear? Now x1 is -2 plus x2 is x1 -2 and x2 is 2 upon 2, and y1 is 2 plus y2 is 8 upon 2. Now -2 plus 2 is 0, 0 upon 2 is 0, comma 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 upon 2 is 5. So we found this coordinate is 0, 5. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड ई. अब ई के भी देखो दो मेथड हैं, चाहो तो आप रेशियो से फाइंड कर लो, या फिर देखिए ई भी है मिड पॉइंट भी है. ई किसका मिड पॉइंट है, डी बी का, और डी के कोऑर्डिनेट भी हमें फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, ईजिली हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो हमें रेशियो फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ई के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, डी ई और ई बी का रेशियो फाइंड कर रहे हैं. वी आर फाइंडिंग द रेशियो डी ई इज़ टू ई बी. क्लियर? सो डी ई इज़ टू ई बी अगर हम फाइंड करें, डी ई कितना है, एक्स इज़ टू एक्स दैट इज़ 1:1. क्लियर? देयरफॉर वी आर राइटिंग ई इज़ द मिड पॉइंट, ई इज़ द midpoint of DB. ई किसका मिड पॉइंट है, DB का. तो हमें ई के कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए डी और बी के कोऑर्डिनेट चाहिए. ठीक है? तो जो डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं मैं उसे चलो डायरेक्ट लिखा हूँ. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ई दैट इज इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन टू y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन टू. अब देखिए जो डी और बी अगर मैं इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख लूँ, जो डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स थे वो क्या थे, डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स में लिख रहा हूँ 0,5 और दूसरा पॉइंट कौन सा था, डी और बी, तो बी पॉइंट कौन सा था, दैट इज़ 2,8, इन्हीं दोनों का मिड पॉइंट है ना। तो यहाँ पे x1 हमें कितना मिला, डी और बी का मिड पॉइंट है ना, मैंने क्या लिखा, ई इज़ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ डी बी, तो डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मैंने मेंशन किए 0,5 और बी के पॉइंट मेंशन किए 2,8। अगर मैं इसके लिए देखूँ तो x1 कितना होगा, मीन्स फॉर दिस x1 इक्वल्स टू 0 और y1 इज़ 5, x2 इज़ 2 एंड y2 इज़ 8, क्लियर, y2 सेम रहेगा 8। फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2, सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2, क्लियर, y2 है ये। Now put the values. So x1 is 0 plus x2 is 2. That means 0 plus 2 upon 2. Comma y1 is 5 and y2 is 8. So 5 plus 8 upon 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 upon 2. 5 plus 8 is 13 upon 2. 2 upon 2 cancel हो जाएगा. That means we will get 1 and it is 13 upon 2. That means देखिए C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गए आपको -1,7 upon 2. D के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको मिल गए 0,5 और E के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गया 1,13 अपॉन। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 विच इज़ फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इफ इट्स वर्सेस आर गिवन 3,0, फर्स्ट वर्सेस इज गिवन 3,0, सेकेंड इज 4,5 एंड -1,4 एंड -2, -1, टेक इन ऑर्डर, ऑर्डर में दिया हुआ मीन्स ABCD एक सीक्वेंस में गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोम्बस। देखिए एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस फाइंड करने के लिए यहाँ पे दो मेथड हैं। फर्स्ट वन, अगर हम एक कोई डायगोनल ज्वाइन कर लें तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, वो आपकी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में है। सो हेयर वी आर यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला फर्स्टली एंड वी नो एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज हाफ d1 इंटू d2 मीन्स डायगोनल्स का प्रोडक्ट और इसका हाफ, ठीक है। सो वी आर ज्वाइनिंग AC एंड वी आर ज्वाइनिंग BD, क्लियर। सो फर्स्टली वी फाउंड द डिस्टेंस AC, तो AC की अगर हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है, डिस्टेंस AC, तो A के देखिए कोऑर्डिनेट मैं यहाँ पे लिख ले रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा, कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख लेंगे 3,0 और जो C पॉइंट है दैट इज़ -1,4। तो यहाँ पे हम इजीली x1 y1 और x2 y2 लिख सकते हैं, क्लियर, इजी हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा। AC डिस्टेंस और उसके बीच में कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी मेंशन कर दिए। तो AC इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा आपका, देखिए डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला मीन्स x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 एंड इट्स होल स्क्वायर। नाउ x2 इज -1 minus x1 that is 3 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 0, its whole square. Now here -1 minus 3 that means -4, its whole square is 16 plus 4 minus 0 4, 4 square is 16, that means root of 32. So we can write it 16 to the 32, that means we can write it 4 root 2. Length कोई यूनिट नहीं given है, means we can use here units, clear. Now same we found distance BD. So distance between B, तो B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मेंशन कर लेना, दैट इज़ 4,5 एंड D, तो D के पॉइंट क्या है -2, -1, क्लियर। नाउ ये हो गया x1, इट इज़ y1, इट इज़ x2, इट इज़ y2। नाउ वी फाउंड द डिस्टेंस BD, फॉर्मूला सेम है x2 माइनस x1, सो वी आर नॉट राइटिंग अगेन x2 माइनस x1, दैट मीन्स -2 -4, सो रूट -2 -4 its whole square plus y2 minus y1, that means -1 -5 and its whole square, clear. Now -2 -4 that means -6 square, that is 36, plus -1 -5 that is -6 its whole square again 36, that means we got root 72. 72 means 36 double, 36 का root होता है 6, so we can write it 6 root 2 units. Now we have to find area of rhombus, so we know area of rhombus, एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस ABCD, रोम्बस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, हाफ d1 इंटू d2, इट इज़ द फॉर्मूला। नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज, सो हाफ d1 दैट मीन्स AC इंटू d2 दैट इज़ BD। नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज, हाफ AC की वैल्यू कितनी थी 4 रूट 2 इंटू BD दैट इज़ 6 रूट 2। नाउ हाफ इंटू 4 6 या 24 इंटू रूट 2 दैट मीन्स 2, दिस 2 कैंसिल्ड by 2, that means we got 24 square units. So this exercise is